Hi, I'm Ellie Steele. I'm an advanced EFT tapping practitioner from Evolution Wellness. And I assume you're here today because you have some holiday stress, whichever holiday it is. But this one, it happens to be, this is Thanksgiving Day in the US. I'm in Canada, but the beginning of the holiday season. So I just want you to take a second and think about all the things that are stressful for you during this holiday season. So you can jot a few things down if you want to. Just think about all of those things you have to do and the people you have to see that you might not want to see and all those stressors. Maybe you're tempted to eat more. Maybe you're not getting as much time for yourself and your exercise program or, whatever it is. The kids, shopping, the crowds. That's a huge one for me. So just think about those stressors, write them down, and get a little list. If you've never done EFT tapping before, I suggest you go to efttapping.ca, watch a couple videos, kind of understand this technique. And I do have to say that you need to take full responsibility for yourself with this tapping. So you're an adult, you can decide whether this is appropriate for you or not. If you've done tapping before, you know what we're doing, then you know that we're going to start on the side of the hand and we're going to tap through these acupuncture meridians while we hold in mind the stressor that we're trying to release. Now, this is a very simple basic tapping, okay? So think about, we're going to put all of them together. That's not really textbook, but for this, we're just going to put all those stressors together and you can feel how stressful that is just in your body. Do you get tension in your chest or, does it feel tight to breathe or do you just feel this overwhelming kind of mental, like, oh, all this dread? You can give that a 0 to 10 on how stressed you feel when you think about all of those things. And now start tapping with me. So side of the hand and just repeat after me. Even though I have all this stress when I think about the holidays, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. And then just go 2 fingers, top of the head, and just repeat after me. This stress thinking about the holidays. My body and mind get stressed just thinking about it. Just thinking about those things I have to do, I can feel this stress in my body. I can feel all this stress. Just thinking about it all is stressful. I get stressed just thinking about it. I can feel my body getting stressed just thinking about it. Okay, that's a round. Take a breath. Think about it all again. Look at your list again. See if it's changed. If not, it's okay. Just see if you get a different number. We're going to do a few rounds here. If there's one particular thing that's really high on your list that you know is causing a lot of stress, you can focus on that. If it's really, really big, you might not make much of a difference. If that happens, just shoot me an email, ellie@evolutionwellness.ca, and I can probably help guide you on how to tap through big things, or you might need some help. Okay, so think about what it is again. Maybe it's the whole list. Maybe it's just one. Get your 0 to 10. Check and see where it is in your body. And tap with me again. Even though I still feel stressed just thinking about this holiday season, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Okay, through the points again. Just thinking about all these things makes me stressed. I feel this stress just thinking about it all. I can almost feel my blood pressure rising. Just thinking about it makes me stressed. I'm not even there in the moment right now, and I'm still stressed. All I have to do is think about it, and I get stressed. My whole system reacts just thinking about it. all the stress of these holidays. Okay, take another breath and check again. Let's check the same thing we did last time, your whole list, or if you focused on one thing, just check and see what your 0 to 10 is. Check in with your body. Does it feel different? Is it moving around? You feel calmer yet? Usually doesn't take long. Okay, think about it again. Now get your 0 to 10. And if it's 0, great, you're done. See you later. If it's still got a charge, or you can think about something else on that list that you can get a charge on, do that. Okay, here we go again. Even though I can still feel the stress about these holidays, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. I can still feel this stress. My body still gets stressed just thinking about it. I get stressed just thinking about it. Just thinking about it is stressful. I get stressed just thinking about it. It's stressful just thinking about it. All these things, they all give me stress just thinking about it. Okay, stop, take another breath. Tune in again. Check and see what's your 0 to 10. How's your body feel? This is just really simple stuff. We're not getting into anything complicated here at all. Just basic tapping to bring down your stress levels. And it works. Okay, so we're going to do it one more time. Tune in again. If it's not a 0 yet, where is it in my body? And tap. Even though I can still feel some stress about all of these things with these holidays, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. I still feel some stress. My body's still stressed. I still get stressed just thinking about it. It's still stressful just thinking about it. I can still feel this stress. My body is still stressed. My mind is still stressed. I can still feel some of this stress. Okay, tune in one more time and see if that's helped. If not, you can keep tapping. I would say do 5 rounds, so maybe one more round. You can do it on your own. You can rewind and do it with me. And then I just need to say a couple things about where to go from here. So this is, like I said, really basic, easy tapping. If this isn't making a difference, you probably have to get more specific. So you might need to pick one thing off the list and you might have to pull it apart. And depending on what it is, it might even be a lot bigger. So for example, if it's a relationship thing, if it's like having to deal with your mother at Christmas dinner, you're not probably going to tap that down to a neutral place with an EFT video. It's just bigger than that. It just needs more work and more help. So do what you can with this. It's a great tool for coping and to get you through the holidays and to reduce your stress response and your cortisol levels and just help you sleep better and help you get out of dread. Because if you're stressed just thinking about something, you know that you don't need to be thinking about it and be stressed about it when you're not in the situation. It doesn't do any good, right? Our brain does think that we can problem solve this by kind of thinking it through and trying to figure it out. But we all know logically that doesn't work. That's just kind of a mechanism of the brain. So at least if it can get you out of that space where you're ruminating or you're thinking about it or you're dreading it, and you can go off and do something productive or something healthy, then at the very least, you're mitigating your stress and improving your health. So that's what I'm hoping you get out of this video. Just quick and dirty, simple tapping just to deal with those holiday stressors. So good luck. If you have any questions or feedback, let me know. I'm happy to help. Happy holidays.